Hi everyone, welcome to Market Grow Money. I'm Sashi. In this video, we are going to learn about swap in Forex. First, let's see what is meant by swap. A swap in Forex, also known as currency swap, is an agreement to exchange currency between two foreign parties, that is, two simultaneous currency purchases, in which one party exchange one set of interest rate payments for another currency. In simple terms, it refers to the interest that you either earn or pay for a trade that you keep open overnight. Let's look at a glance about swap with an example. There is an interest rate for every currency in the world. When we trade a currency pair overnight, that is taking position trade, then we needed to get or pay interest for the currency pair. The amount which we are getting is a positive amount and the amount which we are paying out as an interest will be negative. For example, if I buy Europe USD 1 micro lot, then I'll be selling 1210.10 units of US dollars and buying 1000 units of euro. For that 1210.10 US dollars, I needed to pay out an interest, and also I will get interest for that 1000 units of euro which I bought earlier. So, if the amount of interest I'm paying out is less than that of my received interest, then my swap amount shows up in positive, which will be a small profit for me. But if the interest I pay out is greater than that of what I received, then my swap amount shows up in negative, which ends up making a small loss for me. This swap amount will generally be a small amount and tend to kept on increased based on the days we holding our trading position. Let me show my trading account with two long term trades, one with negative swap and another with positive swap. I had traded only one micro lot, so my swap amount in New Zealand USD was increased up to $1 now. Just imagine, suppose if I traded on mini lot, then the amount will be nearly 10 US dollars. And if I traded on a standard lot, then the amount would have become 100 US dollars. But these amounts are totally rely on how much days you hold it on your account. So, when we go for a long term position in Forex, we needed to have a small consideration swap fee. These swap fee are not standard. It varies from broker to broker. Here, have a glance of swap amount displayed with Exness broker, and this one is with the broker OctaFX. I hope this video is useful to you. Please subscribe my channel for more useful videos. Thanks for watching.